Here we have a Ford Galaxy 2013, which sometimes it doesn't start and it gives some warning about power steering and also ABS fault, airbag fault and immobilizer fault. So it doesn't start. We first thought there was a canbus problem, so we connected our scope to the powertrain canbus. But when the problem was present, there was nothing wrong with the canbus. And also, if we look in the wiring diagram, here's the complete wiring diagram. At the moment when the problem was present, we couldn't talk to the power steering, but we could talk to the PCM. Also, we couldn't talk to the ABS. So first we were thinking maybe some connector is wrong or something. But because we can talk to the PCM, all the lines to the earbud socket, where is it? Here, were fine. And also the airbag is on a complete other part of the network. And all the signals were fine, and I don't know where the end resistors are, but yeah, like I said, the trace was correct. There was nothing wrong with the canbus signal, and we could talk to the PCM but not to the power steering. We took a look at our wiring diagram, and here we have the wiring diagram of the power steering. Here's the power steering module. It gets its feed from fuse 42, this one, and this is controlled by the ignition relay. Also, when we look at the other diagram for the airbag unit, here's the airbag unit. This one gets its power feed from F18, then F41, and also controlled by this relay. This relay is in the engine compartment bay, and this is our relay terminal 15. So we took out the relay there on the back. We connected our scope trace. We connected our scope signals to the relay. So if we look here, the red one is the terminal feed to the relay. Yellow is the output of the relay, if I'm correct, and green is one moment. And green is the control side from the relay. So if green goes up to 12 volt, yellow should go up as well. So let's see if the problem is present today. Let's start the scope. Switch ignition on. Everything is working fine now. Switch it off. Switch it on. Switch it off. Switch it on. Okay, so problem isn't present at the moment. That's a pity. So now we have to wait for the problem to act up again. If the problem comes back, I will make another part of the video. Hope it will act up in one time again. Good morning, guys. We finally got the problem in our Ford. So power steering, warning, immobilizer active. And the car doesn't start. And as you can see, red is power feed to the relay, green is the activation, but we get only around a few volts out of the relay. If we switch it off, demand is gone on green, demand on, almost nothing at the yellow trace. So we have a problem in our relay. Just a new relay, and that's all.